Every day in the stock market, people are making money, whether as a swing trader or as a day trader, meaning you can buy today and make money today, or you can buy today and make money in few days or few weeks. I want to show you some US stock market opportunities. Well, let's talk about SPY and then let's talk about the sell-offs that are about to happen. So this is one of the moments where we reposition, time to replan, time to get in early. And this information is coming timely. Don't say I did not do anything for you. Don't say I did not give you any prior warning. So let's talk all about it. Let's unpack. So what a beautiful week that we had. So this is what happened in the VIP. We had this stock MMYT. We picked it up at $90, and yesterday it hit $104.50, and we sold this stock. We are waiting for the stock to have its pullback. So if you're going to buy it now, may not be a good time to buy. Another banger we picked up ran from $14.50 to $18. That is super amazing. So amazing things are happening in our community. Do well to join us in VIP. What an amazing bull run we have had in this US stock market, even the Nigerian stock market, but today is all about US stock market. So we had an amazing bull run from April. We're going to look at SPY, okay? SPY moved from a low of $480 to a high of 634. This is beautiful. Long-term plan wins. See, the thing is that you must develop strategies for your long term and your short term. That is one of the things we do in the community. Now look at SPY. This was in April when it had a low to 480. And I spotted this inverse head and shoulder, signifying that the market is about to pick up. The moment this shoulder finished forming, we took off. And this was the previous high. You can see this was the previous high. We broke through the previous high, and now look at where we are, 635. As at this time of recording, 635. What can you say? This is beautiful. So keep your eyes on the VIX. This is moving forward. What do you do next? Keep your eyes on the VIX. Also, make sure you understand the volatility, because you see August, September, I call September Rectember because that is when all hell break loose. So now is the perfect time for you to prepare. 70% of the time, August has a lot of volatility, meaning if you do not understand how to trade it, it is better you cool off. So keep your eyes on VIX. VIX is the one tracking the volatility of the market, and VIX is super low right now. It's going to spike very soon. So just keep your eyes on it. We are still going to talk about Tesla that reported earnings and sold off, creating opportunities, and then Google, Alphabet that reported their earnings and did super well. So let's get into the SPY. But meanwhile, first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, we've done over 1,000 amazing subscribers. We have over 1,000 VIP people. I call them my VIPs because I love them with all my heart. So do yourself a favor, learn while you're here. Most importantly, like, love, smile, comment, ask your questions, and I am going to respond. I've been getting lots of comments. I see people who want to learn. Please do yourself a favor and join our VIP. I know you are a VIP subscriber, but please join the VIP community. It's going to do you good. So this is Finance with Julia, and I truly appreciate you watching and learning. Thank you so much for your likes. Say hi in the comment section. I would really, really love to hear from you. Oh, we had a beautiful July. So moving forward, what are we doing? First of all, do not give back your profit. If you have bought any stock and you're in profit, please take your profits. Please sell some part of your stocks. Okay, you have invested $100, you're now at 120. Sell like 20, sell 40, so that you can hold it. When opportunity comes, you can jump right back in. Bears are lurking around. Yes, the red days are here. They are going to come. You can't do without the red days. Comebacks, pullbacks, and corrections are very, very healthy. So that is how we are planning for August and for September. The thing is, in my community, I drop my A plus stock picks, and honestly, we're doing something amazing. 100 stock millionaire challenge. So we're looking at people who are going to be making their first million in the US stock market and also the Nigerian stock market. The essence of this is to help you see that this is a wealth building machine. Our target is to get 100 VIPs into our community, and the lucky winner is going to win $100. That could be you if you join us today. So I can't wait to see you in the community. Look at the things we are doing in this second half. We're going to be doing portfolio review. We're going to do 100% challenge, dividend challenge. Yes, dividends are the money you make when you are sleeping. Compound interest, such a powerful tool. Market analysis, you're going to learn how to look at a stock, and the stock will tell you a lot of stories. You know where to make your money. We finished rich in 2025 and it is just 50,000 naira. Now, disclaimer before I get into the video, the stocks I'm going to talk about today. The ideas I share here are my personal views from my experience, my research, and what has worked for me. So when you listen to me, you watch my videos, please do your due diligence. But if you want to learn from me, join the VIP community. This is for educational purposes. So I want to take us into the chart. So we're going to look at where we have opportunities: the Tesla, Apple, RXRX, and Clean Spark. So hang on right there and I will take you into the chart. Okay, so this is Tesla. Now, Tesla reported earnings. Let me show you what really happened. Let me tell you where we were. We were at 333, and then Tesla reported earnings. Immediately, market closed last night, and it took off to 338. I was really hoping it's going to break into the 340. And the next thing, it started to sell off. The moment they started talking about that they made less money than expected. Their car sales are falling for the second straight quarter. Look at this move. Look at this. The stock started to drop. It looked as if it was going to pick up, but well, look at where we ended. And so even when markets opened today, I'm actually live streaming from the current market. So you can see the drop. Look at where we are, 300. Now let's go to the longer time frame. I see Tesla dropping to come and retest this 288, 290 range. So you see here, we're having our first trade. It's possible that tomorrow we may sell off again. That means more money. Now, for people who cannot afford to buy Tesla even at 300, we have our ETFs that we are buying, and you can actually grab them because they're going to be less than like $11. So imagine buying them at $11 and riding it back to about $15. That's cool money for you to be made. So whenever market sells off, it opens opportunities. So I am anticipating that it should sell off more and come and test 290, 292, down up to 280 range. That is what I'm looking out for. So once that happens, I will be more excited. Yes, I'm going to be more excited. Now let's talk about the next stock, which is Google, that also reported their earnings. So this is Google. Google reported their earnings and it soared to 198. But of course, markets opened, and because the sell-off from Tesla is affecting the entire market, this stock also sold off. But this is amazing. 198. This is pretty, beautiful. Look at this beautiful move. We've been buying this stock from 150. 152 to 155, and look at this massive run. So imagine getting the stock at 150 and now it's almost 200. That means you have made $45 to $50. So you see, there's a lot of money to be made in the stock market. Another thing I also want to talk about is I'm going to talk about Apple. Yeah, I'm going to talk about Apple. Let me take it up and head over to my Apple. I have amazing stocks, but I'm just picking the ones that have opportunities right now. So this is Apple. For some time now, since Apple touched a high of 259, you can see here 259, Apple has been selling off. So it's more like a beating down, stock. And recently has been consolidating here. Look at this. Look at this consolidation. You can see this low is lower than this. So each time it drops, the next time it's going to drop, it never comes back to this other one. We call it a lower low. This is 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 a lower low. So this is signifying that the bulls are in charge, that people that are buying are more in charge than people that are selling, even though it's not moving up fast. Any day you see it break out of this 214, breaks 217, and gets to this 220, just know we're heading all the way up. So keep your eyes on this stock. This has a lot of opportunity. This Apple stock has a lot of opportunity. This is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. So that is the second stock I'm going to talk about, because Google, I just talked about the fact that they just reported good earnings, and that's all thanks to cloud services and YouTube ad. And because I'm a YouTube baby, so I'm amazed and happy that they reported good earnings, because I own the stock and it's doing well for us. Now, the third one I'm going to talk about is CleanSpark. Now, let me take us to Bitcoin first of all. You can see that since Bitcoin touched 123,000, you can see what he's doing here. He has been consolidating. So he's probably going to come back to retest this 123, but right now it is building momentum. Remember what happened here? It was building momentum for such a while before he picked up. So he may likely pick up into 130. So right now, all the crypto stocks are actually cooling off. So this is one of my favorite stocks, which are, you can see it is also cooling off from 13. I'm hoping this stock will come down to 11 range. That would be super cool. But if it doesn't, just know that from 12, it may likely head to 15. So this is one stock to keep in your watch list. Don't sleep on it, guys. Don't sleep on it. And then the last one I'm going to talk about is one I'm very excited about. It's called RXRX, Recursion, Recursion Pharmaceuticals. I love this company because they are into the AI medical in innovation. I think that's the word, AI innovation. So this company has, well, used to be around $9, 12, okay, 12, because I know there was a time I bought it last year, it was around $8 and we rode it up to 11, 12, and then sold it. This stock dropped up down to 3.79, but look at this beautiful move here. It's been having a lower low. So look at this. Let me show you. You can see here, you can see this first one. Look at this second time. So you can see all the times he's making a low, it never comes back to where it's. So this came to 3.7, this is 3.9, this is 4.7, this is 4.8, this is 5.35. So it's gradually picking up on its way up. And I love, love, love this particular stock. I actually like this move. So this stock is very cheap, so a lot of people can actually grab it. This stock will make a lot of money. Imagine buying this stock when it was around 5 or 6, and you are letting it run up to 12, 100 cool percent. See, I've shown you where the stones are laid so you can make money for yourself. So let's get into another information about RXRX that made me very happy about this stock. Can you see this? Recursion Pharmaceuticals, AI-driven drug discovery beginnings. So I told you that I always like to research why I'm going into a certain stock. So this is why I'm keeping this stock in my radar. They have actually emerged in the 2010s as the pioneer in leveraging artificial intelligence to transform drug discovery and development. Please head over to Google and read up this information, because it will give you more insights into this particular stock. So you can see here, they've been doing well. So that's what they're saying here, that it grew its share for a fourth straight day on Monday. This was reported on Monday. It touched 6.40. So you see, they are going to announce their performance in first week, their earnings reports, and probably the earnings is going to give them a boost. So now may be a good time for you to position well to get this stock. So that is why I'm interested in this particular stock. All right, my lovelies, my besties, the main list, my top 10 that I'm buying between now and September is shared in my VIP community. They're going to see my stock picks. They're going to see when I'm going to buy. And when there's a change in price, I also alert them. That is why they are my A+. They're my VIPs, and I do good things for them. So did you learn something from this video? Did you see opportunities where you are going to make some money moving forward? So make sure you are taking your profits. Do not give up your gains. You've made some profits. Don't let the market take it away from you. The rich knows how to play this game. Learn how to play this game. But for eventually you want to learn better, please come and join us in the VIP community. Only 50,000 naira. I do hope to see you. Make that payment. The link is in the description. And you have everything. You have me, you have other members, you have a simplified lesson. Some are even recorded where you can watch and watch and watch again. Join us and let's make some money this second half of the year, because we started running. July is almost gone. Thank you and I'm going to see you in the next video. Make sure you drop your hi in the comments. I want to see you drop a hi because I want to say hi back to you. You're my favorite subscriber. You are learning and you're getting better. See you in the next video.